Question number 1. What is the primary imaging modality used for evaluating bone fractures? Correct answer is option C, X-ray. Question number 2. What is the basic principle of X-ray imaging? Correct answer is option C, differential absorption of radiation. Question number 3. What does the acronym MRI stand for? Correct answer is option A, magnetic resonance imaging. Question number 4. Which contrast agent is commonly used in CT scans? Correct answer is option C, iodinated contrast. Question number 5. Which imaging modality is best for soft tissue visualization? Correct answer is option C, MRI. Question number 6. What is the unit of measurement for radiation dose? Correct answer is option A, sievert, SV. Question number 7. What is the primary function of a grid in radiography? Correct answer is option B, reduce scatter radiation. Question number 8. Which type of radiation is used in fluoroscopy? Correct answer is option B, X-rays. Question number 9. Which imaging modality uses sound waves to produce images? Correct answer is option A, ultrasound. Question number 10. What is the most common artifact in MRI imaging? Correct answer is option A, motion artifact. Question number 11. Which law governs the attenuation of X-rays? Correct answer is option C, Beer-Lambert law. Question number 12. What is the function of collimation in radiography? Correct answer is option D, minimize scatter radiation. Question number 13. Which material is commonly used in X-ray tube anodes? Correct answer is option C, tungsten. Question number 14. What is the main disadvantage of CT imaging? Correct answer is option B, high radiation dose. Question number 15. Which structure appears black on X-rays? Correct answer is option C, air. Question number 16. What does PACS stand for in radiology? Correct answer is option A, picture archiving and communication system. Question number 17. Which imaging modality is best for detecting a brain hemorrhage immediately after trauma? Correct answer is option B, CT. Question number 18. What is the purpose of contrast agents in imaging? Correct answer is option C, highlight specific tissues. Question number 19. Which type of detector is used in digital radiography? Correct answer is option C, flat panel detector. Question number 20. What does the term isodance mean in radiology? Correct answer is option A, the same density as surrounding tissue. Question number 21. Which imaging modality uses radioisotopes? Correct answer is option D, nuclear medicine. Question number 22. Which imaging modality is most sensitive for detecting metastatic bone lesions? Correct answer is option C, bone scan. Question number 23. What is the primary concern with repeated exposure to ionizing radiation? Correct answer is option B, increased cancer risk. Question number 24. Which plane is most commonly used in ultrasound imaging? Correct answer is option B, transverse. Question number 25. What does the term radiopacity refer to? Correct answer is option B, absorption of X-rays. Question number 26. Which material is commonly used for shielding in radiology rooms? Correct answer is option D, lead. Question number 27. Which imaging modality is most commonly used in mammography? Correct answer is option C, X-ray. Question number 28. What does the term radiolucent mean? Correct answer is option B, transparent to X-rays. Question number 29. Which imaging technique uses positron for scanning? Correct answer is option C, PET. Question number 30. What is the recommended maximum annual radiation exposure for occupational workers? Correct answer is option C, 50 MSV. Question number 31. Which imaging modality is best for evaluating ligament injuries? Correct answer is option B, MRI. Question number 32. What does the term ionizing radiation mean? Correct answer is option A, radiation that removes electron from atoms. Question number 33. Which artifact is most commonly seen in ultrasound imaging? Correct answer is option C, acoustic shadowing. Question number 34. What is the main purpose of the cathode in X-ray tube? Correct answer is option B, emit electrons. Question number 35. Which imaging modality uses a strong magnetic field? Correct answer is option C, MRI. Question number 36. What does the term windowing refer to in CT imaging? Correct answer is option B, optimizing contrast and brightness. Question number 37. Which imaging technique is primarily used in interventional radiology? Correct answer is option B, fluoroscopy. Question number 38. What is the principle of Doppler ultrasound? Correct answer is option B, changes in sound frequency due to motion. Question number 39. Which parameter determines the sharpness of an X-ray image? Correct answer is option C, focal spot size. Question number 40. Which part of the X-ray machine generates X-rays? Correct answer is option B, anode. Question number 41. Which imaging modality is commonly used for fetal imaging? Correct answer is option D, ultrasound. Question number 42. What is the primary advantage of digital radiography over field radiography? Correct answer is option B, faster image acquisition. Question number 43. What does the Hounsfield unit measure in CT imaging? Correct answer is option B, tissue density. Question number 44. What is the term for the loss of image sharpness due to patient movement? Correct answer is option B, motion artifact. Question number 45. Which imaging modality is best for detecting pulmonary embolism? Correct answer is option B, CT pulmonary angiography. Question number 46. What is the primary role of a radiologist? Correct answer is option B, interpret imaging studies. Question number 47. What is the purpose of a barium shallow study? Correct answer is option B, assess the gastrointestinal tract. Question number 48. Which imaging modality is most sensitive for early stage breast cancer detection? Correct answer is option B, mammography. Question number 49. What is the main disadvantage of MRI? Correct answer is option C, long imaging time. Question number 50. Which of the following is a common side effect of iodinated contrast agents? Correct answer is option D, all of the above.